Today we're gonna be changing the alternator on the 2010 Toyota Camry. First step, before you want to touch anything electrical, you want to undo the battery. All right, so now you want to get rid of this. Not get rid of it, God damn it. You want to move this wire. So first you want to disconnect it from here. Specific, you got to pull this tab out and then it will allow it to slide off. You want to disconnect this as well as on this rubber. There's a 10mm bolt. Push bracket right here that you want to push and slide out. There's a metal that you slide off. Now after you got all that out of the way, you can move this to the side. Or actually, we have one more clip that I just seen. So I was right about this little harness piece. It opens up like a clamp. All right, so when you're looking at the alternator, there's a tensioner for this serpentine belt that's right here. And for the bolt of this, it's gonna be a 14mm. Right here with the 14mm, allows you to get slack. If you to tighten it, it gives you slack in the serpentine belt so you can take it off. And I believe there's two main bolts and they're both 14mm. One right here, and then the other one at the bottom of the alternator. Man, when I tell y'all, this bolt right here was tough to take to break, bro, I had to put my whole back into it. I had to put a towel on here and everything. I'm like, bro, ain't no way this thing is this tight. So yeah, this nut right here, be patient, but it's very, very tight. Bro, look what I just fucking did to my shit. Now you're on the top bolt. Luckily, this one didn't take nearly as long to get out. But that boy, long boy. All right, so now that we got everything loose pretty much, we're going to take this out and this out so we have more room to take this straight out and everything won't be in the way. Went ahead and got that out. Man, I had to freaking pry this in to get the angle to freaking scrape it out. Now that we got the old one out, we're gonna be putting the new one in. Now we're going to plug everything back up. All right, so I connected everything, all the connector pieces back, along with the harness, the bracket to hold on the wires together, and also screwing that back in. That's under that cap, along with pressing that back in. So now, the only thing left to do is to put that 14mm back on the tensioner to get some slack and put it on the alternator. All right, once you release that tension, put the belt back on. Now, lastly, turn around for the battery. Plug the battery back up, test her out.